Hello and welcome to Carlisle Centre. My name is Bill Hockey and I'm the Centre Manager here at Carlisle, and I'd like to take you for a short tour of the actual facilities. So if you'd like to follow me, we're going to have a look around the actual centre. Okay, as part of your apprenticeship here at Gen 2, you will both do practical activities and also academic studies. The academic studies take place in the standard sort of classrooms that you will see a couple here, and the IT facilities. Also in these classrooms, of course, we run other activities that are not engineering. We actually do business admin, we do civil engineering, we do customer services and teaching assistants, to name a few. We also run higher education courses. We run right the way up to BEng level 6 courses. We do primarily HNC, HND in engineering, mechanical, electrical and manufacturing. Okay, if you'd like to follow me. Okay, here at the centre it's not all work, we do let you have some breaks, etc. And this is one of the little breakout areas where you can actually come and have a cup of tea, sit down between the actual sessions in the morning and afternoon. We do have another breakout area where you can actually go and eat your lunch, etc. So if you follow me, we're going to have a look at the actual changing facilities where you start the day. Okay, right, this is the area where you'll start your day getting ready for the work in the workshops. This is where you come and get changed, you put on all your PPE for the day and any other specialist equipment you might need, for instance if you're doing welding or anything of that nature. Okay, so if you follow me, we go through this door into the workshop where the work really starts. Okay then, this is the main workshop, which is actually split up into different sections with different specialities in each section to support the actual apprenticeships that we actually deliver. If we look over here, we've basically got our basic machine area. Students learn to use lathes, milling machines and some sort of CNC work. If we come over here, we actually have our main welding area where we actually do welding, fabrication. Students carry out MIG welding, TIG welding, MMA, plasma cutting and some oxyacetylene work. Over here we have basically our basic area where students start. We still teach them a lot of basic hand skills. They use hacksaws, files, squares, marking out, etc. And we do some sheet metal work in here so that students actually design things, make things, and this year we're actually looking at making a toolbox for the actual students as part of the sheet metal and basic hand skills. If we come through the actual workshop, you'll see around there's certain machinery that we actually use. There's bandsaws, grinders, there's a guillotine, and there's actually a sheet metal roller in here as well. If we come along a little bit further, what we've actually done is because of some of the work that we do and some of the bits that we actually do with some of our national clients, we've actually got a maintenance area. This maintenance area has been actually designed such that it can do electrical maintenance, mechanical maintenance on things like valves, pumps, fans and equipment, and some of the specialist stuff that we actually do, there's generators, motors, lighting, etc. And we do a little bit of lifting in here as well to teach some of the students basic lifting techniques using lifting equipment and those sort of things. This is the main workshop. What we'll actually do now is we go through to the electrical workshop, which is through the door over here, to have a look at the electrical parts that we actually do. So if you'd like to follow me, we go this way. Okay, so this is the electrical workshop. This is where you'll come and the tutors will actually teach you everything starting from the fundamentals, basic circuitry with PVC wiring, etc., working up through doing things like conduit, emergency lighting, tray work, trunking and all the associated skills with that. The actual tutors will take the time, develop those skills with you, and then we will work on to other more complex sort of exercises such as fault finding, electrical maintenance and various other things in there. Okay, so if you follow me, there is another little bit around the corner that we're going to have a look at. Okay, so this is the other half of the electrical workshop where we carry out some more complex activities associated with maintenance and control gear, etc. We do motor control circuits where they'll be wired up, tested. We also do fault finding on there. We also have things such as variable speed drives that we actually put in and actually get you to run those, test those and actually introduce you to some more complex activities in the electrical world. What we also have down in this area is a number of classrooms that are not just here for the academic studies, they're actually here to support when we actually do the actual practical deliveries. You may go into a classroom, be taught the theory by the tutors, and the tutors support you with what you're doing all the way through. Okay, so we'd like to walk this way then. Okay, that now concludes our tour of the centre, and hopefully it gives you some insight to what goes on here at the centre and what we actually do in Gen 2. And we do hope to see you all soon.